I think I'll just add on to whatever points have been made, which are very fair. I think biggest challenge is trying to understand, to draw a line between where does privacy end and what are the operational requirements for a business to be conducting business, right? Uh, I think the biggest thing which poses as a challenge is that organizations think that with the advent of privacy laws or cybersecurity regulation, it means you can't do business. That's not what the intent of the regulation is. The regulation is saying that if you want to do certain things, just put certain guardrails around it so that everybody is in a win-win situation. It's not like one side wins all and the other side is losing everything. That is where the current situation is, and the balance that needs to be created is what the regulations aim at. So I think that's one of the challenges, and the other thing is also, and I keep saying this, is to get management to buy in, because the way it is posed is, the whole narrative is more around, if you don't do this, you will get fined. The point is it needs to also, come into the stakeholders' mind that if we don't do this, it's not just about the fines, it's also about your reputation. And the reputation can do far more damage than a one-time, slap fine could do, right? It could destroy or make the business. I mean, if you ask me as a person, or as knowing so much about privacy, there are times when it really creeps me or really gives me the jeepers when somebody's asking me for data, which they shouldn't. But the saddest point of it is that they don't realize that they're asking for data which is much more beyond their need. So I think that sensitization is, again, I think one of the biggest challenges.